Good morning, you guys. It's like almost 9 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm running a little bit later than normal for making breakfast, but we're gonna go ahead and have some breakfast burritos.
Good morning.
Sister says good morning. I'm gonna use this pork sausage, country style sausage, whatever country style sausage means. I don't really know, but hopefully it'll be good. And the eggs. I'm just gonna do like a scramble and just put it all together inside of one pan and then warm up some torts. But today is an exciting day because I'm gonna start decorating for Christmas. And last night, if you guys saw the vlog, at the end I said that I was going to be doing most of this stuff off camera, just because yeah, I can't get good angles like vlogging in the third person. It just doesn't work out, and I don't want to put out videos of like crappy third angle Christmas decorating and stuff. I'd rather just show you guys firsthand what I'm doing by doing like a tour afterwards. But I got all of my storage room organized, and it took me 2 hours to get it organized and to get out all the Christmas stuff. But here's all of our Christmas stuff. So I already put up the tree. I still have to like fix it up and fluff it and whatnot, and then I need to go through all these boxes and see what I could put out right now. Now I don't have any like storage shelves, as I have mentioned before, so I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to be putting some of this stuff to make sure that the kids don't get to it. So yeah, I'll figure it out, and it'll take some time. But I also wanted to announce that this year I'm going to be doing Vlogmas. I don't know, I think it's very doable for me to do, but I think I might be pre-recording some videos this month, just to fill in the gaps of when I don't necessarily want to just vlog. Maybe some like sit down videos or whatnot. So if you guys have any special requests for certain type of like sit down videos that you want me to do, or even just other types of videos that aren't necessarily like a vlog, then go ahead and let me know. And then that way I could figure out what I'm going to be doing now, get those things out of the way, and then you guys will be able to watch them once Vlogmas comes around. But yeah, now I'm gonna cook breakfast. Alright, so I have my eggs done. I just put spinach, cheese, the sausage, and some egg inside of it, and then I am warming up some torts. I'm just gonna make one for Esme and Thor to split, and then one for Chris. They're just chilling. You guys are so cute. I went ahead and took out a big thing of hamburger meat for tonight because I'm going to be making some tacos. Some white person tacos, by the way. And because I picked up some taco shells at Safeway to just make an easy taco shell. My kids really love hard shell tacos, so I'm going to be doing that, and I don't want to have to go through the process of frying all the shells tonight. So I have that to fall back on, and I'm just going to make them simple with like cheese, sour cream, and some cut up tomato and some taco seasoning. We bought a big thing of taco seasoning from Costco when we went, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get breakfast together, then we're gonna do school, and hopefully it doesn't take very long today. Yesterday took a little bit longer than it normally does when we do our school, so try to do it fast today. Okay, so I have these pie pumpkins from my niece's birthday party, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these in half right now, and then I'm gonna roast them in the oven. And then I'm gonna puree the insides, and I'm just gonna, like, I don't know, maybe make some pumpkin pie with these. I think that'd be good. Okay, so I have all of my pumpkins cut up, and as good of halves as I could get them with the crappy knife that I have. And then I separated all the seeds from the pulp. There was actually a seed that had already sprouted, so I put it with my avocado that's sprouting. So they're up on my windowsill. And now I could finally eat my breakfast once I get these in the oven and start school with the kids. Alright, I'm finally eating my burrito, and it's actually really good. Hi, baby. He's so cute. Yeah. What's going on? What's going on? Esme is starting to do her name practice for today. Good job.
Good job.
All right, let's count. What do you have first? 0, 1,
2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10.
Great job, babe.
Now let's color these hearts.
Yeah, we're gonna color 3 hearts, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just finished up making their lunch. They have a hummus roll-up of turkey, and then they also have some dragon fruit with tahini, cucumber with tahini. They have carrots with ranch, and then these Mexican like yogurt drinks that we get from Costco. These are really good. They're not like honestly the best, but they're better than like Danimals or something, you know. They do have like probiotic inside of them, so this is going to be their lunch, and now I have to clean up this mess. Hi, Mommy. Oh, is that my Remy? Is that my little Remy? You're so cute. Yes, you are. Oh, look at your little wisps. You're so cute. Well, I finished cleaning the kitchen besides the plates that the kids were using for lunch. But I didn't get to do the pie yet because Remy needs to eat. Yeah, he was sucking on his hands an awful lot and started getting kind of fussy. So we're gonna eat. I haven't eaten yet, but I got an apple and a protein bar, so that'll end up being my lunch. Just one of those days where I'm just doing a lot, so I don't have time to make like a proper meal for me, but I'm gonna eat that for lunch. And I have a big thing of water and a Gatorade next to me, so I'll have that too. And then hopefully after I'm done feeding him, I could do the pie. If not, it's not a big deal. I'll probably end up just waiting until dinner time then, or even after the kids go to bed. I have no idea. Okay, so I'm going to make the pumpkin pie now. I'm going to start off with a can of sweetened condensed milk. And this is a recipe that I've used like always. I absolutely love pumpkin pie. It is one of my all-time favorite things to make pumpkin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get all of this out. And just scoop it all into here. And then I'm going to be using the same can to measure my pumpkin in because it's equal parts. So I have my pumpkin puree. I refrigerated it for a little bit just to cool it down. Okay, so I'm going to scoop my pumpkin into my can to measure. And this is just for one pie. This is also like the easiest pumpkin pie recipe that I've made too. And by the way, I have my oven preheated to 350. Okay, so I have this filled. Just gonna scoop this into here now. Okay, and then I have 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, and then once you have the 2 eggs in, you're going to be using, I personally love a lot of cinnamon. So it's all up to you how much cinnamon you want in it, but I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Okay. And then I'm gonna use pumpkin pie spice. I'm also adding about, yeah, babe?
Mom.
Yes? I'm adding about a tablespoon. And if you like a little bit more spice to it, I recommend adding more ginger and nutmeg to it. I think it really like transforms the flavor.
Mom, what are you doing?
Making the pumpkin pie, babe. And then I'm gonna add like half a teaspoon of salt.
It be delicious. Tummy.
All right, and then Esme is gonna help me mix slow, cause the eggs.
Yes, Mom.
Good job.
It's look be so good, Mom. And tummy.
Yep, it's gonna be so good.
Plus,
And then I'm just gonna dump it into a graham cracker crust. Normally I make my own pie crust, and I'll make like a flaky pie crust, but I just don't have time to do that, and I ended up just buying a pie crust, so I'm gonna go ahead and make it that way.
yeah.
Alright, and then I'm gonna pop it in the oven for about 50 minutes at 350. You don't want to overcook it because it will crack, and you don't want to cool it down too fast because it'll also crack. So you want to open the oven once it's done and turn off your oven and let it cool down with your oven basically. But I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so we got perfect pumpkin pie. Excuse my dirty oven. It was dirty when we moved in and I haven't had a chance to clean it. But it should be just a little jiggle in the middle. And then you just leave it cracked like this, just to let the heat escape. I also finished the taco meat. Yes, I put peas in it because it's good like that, and it adds some greens for the kids. I have our taco shells out and sour cream, cut up some limes. I also cut up some tomatoes that I put in the fridge, and then some shredded cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and build our tacos. Alright, I also put a little bit of avocado lime like salsa on mine. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
What about you, Thor? Is that yummy? Yummy. Super good, sister? Alright. Christopher just lost another tooth. He turned 7 in August. Or he turned 7 in August and he just lost his 8th tooth.
Oh no.
Alright. Alright, so the kids are in bed, but the pie has set and it looks and tastes absolutely delicious. I have a crop ton with whipped cream on it. I normally never put anything on pumpkin pie, but it just sounded so good. So I'm gonna eat this like this, and then I am just going to relax because I cleaned everything, and I think I'm going to be waiting one more day to start putting up the Christmas stuff because I want to get an idea of where I want to put everything. I looked in the boxes and I know everything that I have now, so I want to figure out where I want to put everything instead of getting it all out, and then I think it'll take twice as long if I don't plan ahead of time, and I'm just one of those people that has to make a list and plan. But anyways, I wanted to go ahead and end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I love making vlogs and videos and putting them out for you guys to watch. So if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more vlogs like this one or any of the other videos that I do, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I am like halfway there to being able to make an income off of YouTube, so by you subscribing and watching my videos, it really helps me out. And make sure also that you click your notification bell because I don't have a perfect upload schedule like a lot of other YouTubers do, so that'll help you out by knowing when I post my videos. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.